Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. DJI's 2026 lineup is genuinely the strongest and most confusing it's ever been. Over 10 current models spanning from $199 to well over $6,000, 3 different regulatory weight categories, and at least 4 different ideas of what a drone is even for. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best DJI drones of 2026, cutting through that confusion to help you land on the right model for your skill level and your goals, rather than overspending on features you'll never touch or underspending and outgrowing your drone in a month. Let's jump in. At number 5, we have the DJI Neo 2. If you've never flown a drone in your life and want to learn without the anxiety of potentially crashing an expensive investment, this is exactly where DJI wants you to start, and for good reason. At just 135 grams and $229, the Neo 2 is the easiest DJI drone to fly, full stop. It launches straight from your palm, requires no controller for basic shots, and responds to voice and gesture commands for genuinely controller-free operation. A stabilized 4K camera captures real, usable footage automatically, and AI-powered tracking handles subject framing without requiring any real piloting skill. One reviewer calculated that the Neo 2's complete 2-year cost of ownership comes in cheaper than the accessories inside most flagship phone cases. A genuinely striking way to think about how low stakes this entry point actually is. The honest limitation is scope. This isn't built for serious landscape photography, long-range flights, or professional deliverables. And image quality, while solid for social content, won't satisfy anyone chasing print-quality results. But as a genuinely safe, confidence-building way to learn to fly before graduating to a more capable drone, nothing else in DJI's lineup does it better. The DJI Neo 2 is perfect for absolute beginners who've never flown before, parents buying a first drone for a teenager, and anyone who wants to build flying confidence before investing in a pricier model. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Next up is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This remains one of the most consistently recommended drones in DJI's entire catalog. And even with the newer Mini 5 Pro now available, reviewers keep pointing back to the Mini 4 Pro specifically for its proven reliability and dramatically wider real-world availability. No other drone packs quite the same safety and camera combination under the 250-gram weight threshold that exempts it from the strictest registration rules across the US, UK, EU, and Australia. The Mini 4 Pro delivers omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, genuinely rare at this weight class, alongside a 1.13-inch sensor shooting sharp 4K at up to 60 FPS, plus native vertical shooting built directly into the gimbal for today's social-first, phone-first content. At around $759, it sits meaningfully below the newer Mini 5 Pro while still delivering the core experience that makes DJI's Mini line so popular for travel photography specifically. While the Mini 5 Pro technically offers a slightly larger sensor and improved low-light performance, it currently carries limited US availability, making the Mini 4 Pro the more dependable, more widely stocked choice for buyers who want to walk into a store or order online today with confidence. For travel photographers who want serious image quality without the weight or regulatory hassle of a bigger drone, this remains the smarter, safer bet. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is perfect for travel photographers who want proven reliability over the newest release, anyone who wants omnidirectional obstacle avoidance under 250 grams, and buyers who want the widest availability and most established support in the Mini lineup. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Keeping it going with the DJI Flip. If you want built-in physical protection wrapped around genuinely good image quality, ideal for flying around people, kids, or tight indoor spaces without constant anxiety, the Flip fills a genuinely unique niche in DJI's current lineup. At $439, the Flip packs the same 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the pricier Mini 4 Pro, capturing 50-megapixel photos and detailed 4K 60 FPS HDR video. What sets it apart from every other drone on this list is its integrated full-coverage propeller guards built directly into the frame rather than sold as a bolt-on accessory, making it the safest foldable DJI drone under 249 grams currently available. It launches from your palm and responds to voice commands just like the Neo 2, but adds a proper controller option for more precise flight when you want it, plus real image quality that holds up to genuine scrutiny rather than just casual social sharing. The trade-off compared to the pricier Mini 4 Pro is obstacle sensing coverage. The Flip only offers forward-facing detection, without the side and rear protection found on the Mini and Air lines, and those built-in prop guards do add a bit of drag in windier conditions.
But for anyone specifically prioritizing physical safety without sacrificing real camera quality, it occupies a genuinely useful middle ground DJI doesn't offer anywhere else in the current lineup. The DJI Flip is perfect for parents and educators flying around groups of people, beginners who want real image quality with built-in crash protection, and anyone flying indoors or in tight obstacle-dense spaces. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
The runner-up is the DJI Air 3S. This is consistently identified as the best DJI drone for most people and the best drone for serious photo and video work at a mid-range price, striking the exact balance between the compact Mini series and the flagship Mavic line that the majority of enthusiasts and working creators actually need. The dual camera system here is the real draw, a wide-angle lens paired with a 3x medium telephoto, both built around a genuine 1-inch main sensor, giving you real compositional flexibility that single-camera drones simply can't match. Flight time reaches an impressive 45 to 46 minutes per battery, the best in DJI's mid-range lineup, and full omnidirectional obstacle sensing lets you fly with genuine confidence through complex environments rather than white-knuckling every maneuver. Independent reviewers specifically highlight 14 stops of dynamic range as the feature that makes the real difference for professional caliber work, letting you hold detail in both shadows and highlights during genuinely challenging lighting conditions. At $1,099, it delivers what one reviewer specifically called 90% of the Mavic 4 Pro's results at roughly half the price, making it the drone most working creators should actually buy, unless their income specifically depends on squeezing out that final 10% of image quality. For enthusiasts and working creators who want genuinely professional caliber output without flagship tier spending, nothing else in DJI's current lineup hits quite the same value sweet spot. The DJI Air 3S is perfect for serious hobbyists and creators who want professional dual camera flexibility, working photographers who don't need flagship tier resolution, and anyone who wants the best all-around balance in DJI's entire 2026 catalog. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And the best one is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This is unambiguously DJI's flagship for 2026, and reviewers across the board agree it's the most capable consumer drone on the market right now. The drone to buy if your work or income specifically depends on the absolute best possible image quality. The camera system is genuinely unmatched. A 4/3 inch Hasselblad branded main sensor capturing 100 megapixels with an adjustable aperture, a capability previously reserved for cameras mounted on industrial grade drones, paired with 2 additional telephoto lenses, all supporting 6K 60 FPS HDR video. The new 360-degree infinity gimbal is a genuine engineering leap. Rather than physically rotating the entire drone to change camera angle, all 3 cameras rotate independently, a feature multiple reviewers specifically call a game changer for professional filmmaking workflows. Battery life leads the entire DJI lineup at 51 minutes, giving working photographers genuinely meaningful time in the air per battery swap. At $2,199 to $2,849, depending on configuration and region, it's a serious investment, sitting well above every other drone in this list, and its weight puts it in a stricter regulatory category, requiring registration in most regions. But for video and cinema professionals, surveyors, inspectors, production companies, and any creator who genuinely accepts no compromises on image quality, reviewers are unanimous. This is the drone. Multiple sources specifically frame it as the aircraft that photographers who sell their aerial work professionally consistently reach for, and for good reason. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is perfect for professional photographers and filmmakers whose income depends on image quality, production companies and commercial operators, and any serious creator who wants the single most capable consumer drone DJI currently makes. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching. That's our top 5 best DJI drones of 2026. Whether you're just learning to fly with the DJI Neo 2, wanting proven sub-250G reliability with the Mini 4 Pro, prioritizing built-in crash protection with the DJI Flip, hitting the sweet spot for serious creators with the Air 3S, or demanding flagship-grade image quality with the Mavic 4 Pro, there's a genuinely great pick on this list for your skill level and your goals. One reviewer's honest take is worth repeating. The best everything combo in DJI's 2026 lineup often isn't one flagship drone, but pairing a Mini with a Neo for hundreds less than a single Mavic. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know your experience level and which DJI drone you're going with. We'd love to hear from you. All product links with the latest pricing are in the description.
Thanks again for watching, and happy flying!